Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have a 420i M Sport Coupe finished in Portimao Blue Metallic. The front headlights and fog lights are LED, giving you more visibility and making you more visible to other traffic when visibility may be low. It has 19-inch M double-spoke Bicolour alloy wheels and M Sport brakes with high-gloss red brake calipers, enhancing the M Sport look and feel. In the rear windows it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from harmful UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. The wing mirrors can be electrically folded in when locking the car to protect them from passing traffic or pedestrians, and they'll fold back out when unlocking the car. It has a reverse camera, assisting you with parking and reversing, as it gives you extra visibility to use as well as your mirrors. It has a top speed of 149 mph, and with 181 brake horsepower, it can get from 0 to 62 in 7.5 seconds. Moving on to the interior, it has the black with grey contrast stitching Vernasca leather upholstery and front heated sport seats, essential for driving in the winter as they're quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this 420i M Sport Coupe, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.